Thank you for joining me on my next hike. Today we are overlooking San Diego County and we are hiking this mountaintop here. It is Mount Viejas, which is 3.8 miles round trip. Since today is the 4th of July, we will be watching the fireworks from the top of the mountain. The climb continues. I would say we're maybe a little less than half a mile up the trailhead, and the trailhead starts at about 1,800 feet elevation and it ends at 4,100 feet elevation. So there's a pretty steady climb up, and it's not easy because we are on lots of rocks. So I'm definitely feeling more winded than I usually would. So we're stopping to take a lot of breaks, just bring our heart rate down.
Let people know, like, don't feel down on yourself if you seem a little winded. They're spinning okay.
So I would say we're about halfway up. The mountain furthest in the distance is Spring Valley. And we're going to travel over here. The peak furthest in the distance right here would be Mount Helix, right there. And then Cowles Mountain is here, furthest in the distance. Very cool. Coming up to the top of Mount Viejas. We're 4,100 feet up, just cresting the peak here. And we're gonna wait until the sun goes down, and then Viejas, which is back here, that's where the fireworks are gonna go off tonight because it's the 4th of July. So I'll show you some of that. We will be hiking down in the dark, so we do have flashlights, and I cannot wait to see the views all over San Diego County of all the fireworks going off tonight. It should be pretty spectacular. So we'll check you guys out once the sun goes down and the fireworks get popping. Made it to the top of Mount Viejas. The sun is starting to go down. Once the sun goes down, we'll be able to see the fireworks show at Viejas, which is the actual show that we've come up to the top of the mountain to watch. But we'll also be able to see all of the fireworks across San Diego County. So I absolutely can't wait to show you guys what an amazing sight this is. Happy 4th of July. Fireworks all the way down there. Woo! Holy shit. So unfortunately I didn't get to film the hike down because my phone died as I was filming the fireworks go off. But yesterday's experience was so absolutely amazing. I've never been able to watch 18 fireworks shows go off at one time. We were able to see all the way down to Chula Vista, up to Del Mar, and then even into Poway. So we saw 18 fireworks displays all over San Diego County, plus the one that we hiked up to the top of the mountain to see at Viejas. So 19 fireworks shows total for yesterday. That was just mind-blowing. We actually spent more time watching the fireworks displays that were like way out than the actual one that was right in front of us, only because there were so many going off at one time. It was just crazy sight to see. And of course you turn right around and there's the one fireworks display at Viejas. It was beautiful. It was an amazing experience and definitely one to remember, specifically because, you know, I've done the beach thing, I've done barbecue, but I've never done a hike, especially up to the top of a mountain where I can see all of the fireworks displays in San Diego County at one time. Just breathtaking, seriously. Unfortunately, coming down, I did roll my ankle, so I have a bit of a sprain. We were coming down, it was pitch black. We did have flashlights, but of course, you know, you can't really see everything, and rocks shift and move, and unfortunately, I did sprain my ankle yesterday, so that's a bit of a bummer. But overall, amazing experience. It was cold up there, definitely very windy, as you can hear in the video. So I'd recommend if you are going to do this hike, especially late at night, bring some type of like windbreaker, some sweats, a blanket, something, so you can keep warm and enjoy the views. Hands down, best sunset I've ever seen, especially on top of a mountain where you can see so many rolling hills and mountains all across the county. And then of course once the sun went down, all the lights started twinkling and you could see all of the fireworks across the county. If I can't stop smiling, it's because I'm just like so grateful and blessed to have the experience that I did yesterday. So very happy that I accomplished yet another peak. So thank you so much for watching and joining me on my hike. Hopefully you will enjoy my next adventure with me. Make sure you like the video and subscribe. Also comment all of your favorite hiking spots in San Diego County or even Southern California. I'm on a mission to hit as many hiking spots as possible. So definitely I'd love to hear your feedback in the comments below. But thank you so much for watching, you guys, and I'll see you on my next adventure.